In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut for free, step by step, so you can start editing videos without paying for the pro version. This is perfect if you're a beginner, a content creator, or just someone who wants to make clean, professional-looking videos using the free tools that CapCut already gives you. We'll go from downloading CapCut to creating a new project to editing with the free features, and then exporting your finished video. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the official CapCut website and download the free version of the app. It's always best to use the official source, so you know you're getting the latest version and avoiding any unsafe downloads. Once the file is finished downloading, install CapCut on your device and open the program. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in with a CapCut account. If you already have one, you can sign in and sync your projects. If not, you can often continue without signing in, as long as the features you need are available in the free version. Once you're inside CapCut, look for the New Project button and click it. This is where your editing session begins. After that, import the photos or videos you want to work with. You can usually select multiple files at once, which makes it much faster if you're building a full edit from several clips or images. After importing, your media will appear in the editor timeline, and now you can start shaping your project. Now let's go through the free editing tools you can use. One of the most useful tools is Cut, which lets you trim clips down to the exact parts you want. If there's anything unnecessary at the beginning or end of a clip, just cut it out. Next is Split, which is great when you want to divide one clip into multiple sections so you can move or remove specific parts. Crop is another helpful free tool, especially if you want to change the frame, focus on a subject, or adjust the aspect ratio for social media. You can also add text to your video, which is perfect for titles, captions, callouts, or simple on-screen instructions. If you want background music, voiceover, or sound effects, use the audio tools to add and adjust sound in your project. CapCut also includes free transitions, which help one clip move smoothly into the next. Just make sure you're choosing effects that do not have a pro label, since those are usually locked behind the paid version. The same rule applies to effects and filters. CapCut offers a lot of free visual enhancements, and you can use them to improve the look and feel of your video without spending anything. As you edit, keep an eye out for anything marked Pro, because if you want to stay completely free, you'll want to avoid those options. Stick to the tools with no Pro label, and you'll still have plenty of creative control. After you've made your edits, take a moment to preview the full project from start to finish. This is an important step because it helps you catch any mistakes, awkward cuts, timing issues, or audio problems before you export. If something feels off, go back and make your final changes. Even small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished your final video looks. When everything looks good, click Export. From there, choose your preferred settings, such as resolution, format, and quality, depending on where you plan to post the video. If you're uploading to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you may want to choose the settings that best fit that platform. Once you've selected your options, save the video to your device and let CapCut finish the export. And that's it! You now know how to use CapCut for free, from download and setup to editing and exporting your final video. The key is to use the free tools, avoid the pro-labeled features, and keep your workflow simple and efficient. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more beginner-friendly editing guides coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.